Hello, I'm David, and today I'll show you how to collaborate effectively with your team. You can share the main storage with your team members, or share specific folders if you only need to send or receive data from external collaborators. Here, you can view your main account, which can have multiple profiles linked to it. This includes your personal profile and any additional team profiles in case you're working with other individuals or companies. Let's start by adding a new team member. Enter the recipient's email address to send them an invitation. Next, choose a subject that clearly describes the collaboration so everyone is on the same page. Then, select the type of storage for the new team member, dedicated, for separate space allocated to them, or shared for access to the central storage. Click Invite a team member to send the invitation. You can manage your team members under Settings in the Team menu. Here, you'll find a list of all team members and can adjust their settings as needed. Select the storage for team members based on their role. For team members working on a shared project, you can provide a single shared storage space. If a team member needs their own space, you can assign them a dedicated storage area. For instance, John has his own dedicated storage of 1,500 gigabytes, and he has used 300 gigabytes so far. For Lucy, you can see that the invitation has been sent, but she hasn't joined the team yet. Martin is already active and has shared storage, so he can access the central storage. You can adjust team member settings at any time during your collaboration. Just click the settings icon and make the necessary changes. This section shows your current number of team member slots and how many are in use. You can easily add more slots if needed. For each team member under the Enterprise plan, we offer an additional 5 terabytes of storage at no extra cost. You can also expand your storage. Each extra 5 terabytes comes with an additional team member slot included. Immediately after making a purchase, your slots and storage information will be updated. After sending an invitation to a new team member, they will receive an email with a link. Clicking the link will take them to a page where they can rename the collaboration for better organization in their account. They can then choose where to assign the new team profile: to their current account that they're logged into, a new account, or if they don't have an account, they can create a new personal account. Here, you can see multiple profiles under one account: my personal profile and 2 team profiles, so I'm also collaborating on 2 additional projects. You can easily switch between profiles, and the storage view will update according to the selected profile. This lets you access and manage different storage spaces as needed based on the profile you are using. If you need to share data with someone, you can choose to share a folder with or without restrictions. This way, the recipient will only have access to the shared folder and not your entire storage. You can set various sharing options, such as View Only, which allows the recipient to view the data but not download, share, copy, or edit it. You can change the sharing settings at any time. For example, switching to Read Only allows the recipient to download or copy data from the shared folder. Alternatively, the Read and Write option lets the recipient delete or upload new data to the folder. You can share each folder with multiple users at once and customize the permissions and settings for each one individually. Collaborate smoothly with your team, share data, or easily receive files from users all through our app. Designed for efficiency, speed, and security, our app is perfect for both freelancers and large companies. Enjoy a secure and intuitive tool for teamwork with a strong focus on protecting your privacy.